In this lesson, we will cover various ways an active paid campaign can help drive SEO success. In the previous lesson, we focused on the potential cost savings and increased effectiveness that can be driven in using these SEO insights in your paid campaigns. For paid to SEO insights, it's a little different. A lot of benefits here are in using the strengths of your paid campaigns have over SEO. This is in terms of their speed and granularity of insights. Use this data to test and learn a lot faster than if you were just trying to gather the same insights through SEO efforts. One key benefit of paid is how specific the data can be. Since the introduction of secure search, having granular SEO keyword data can be a challenge. You can use paid search keyword data as a proxy for SEO keyword insights, and while it's not foolproof, it's an effective way of getting an understanding of keyword level specifics. Similarly, many of the use cases are keyword-based or content-based. Let's walk through some of the keyword-based use cases which use the granularity of the keyword data you get out of Google Ads. Using paid to identify new SEO keyword opportunities. Using paid is a great way to test a keyword category and then use further research tools to gather new keyword ideas for content development. When you buy keywords on paid, you can buy them in various match types. This means you are also buying keywords that match to similar or adjacent keywords. Sometimes this can be frustrating when you want to be precise, but it's a great way to mine for new keywords for SEO. These terms that you are appearing on but not buying directly are found in Search Terms Report within Google Ads. This not only gives you the individual keywords, but their performance like clicks, CTR, and conversions. This becomes a much more accurate way to gather insights into keyword performance, particularly in a specific market or geography. Using paid to prioritize SEO keyword initiatives. SEO results are not seen overnight. It can be a longer-term undertaking to get that #1 ranking for a particular keyword. With limited resources, it makes prioritizing those initiatives even harder. By utilizing paid keyword data or paid testing, you can better determine the needs and benefits of gaining that rank. From here, you can potentially prioritize one initiative over another based on the precise paid keyword data. For content initiatives, this is where paid strengths of speed and personalization can really stand out. Giving new content a boost and testing out content and landing page experiences before investing in long-term SEO is where paid can help. Let's talk about 2 strong use cases around content. Using paid to test new landing page experiences. Making big changes to an SEO landing page can be scary. It could potentially impact a rank and definitely impacts a lot of potential traffic. As an SEO, you are often the voice of balance between designer and usability. Using paid, you can test out new landing pages and content experiences. With paid, you can implement landing page tests in minutes and can potentially do so in a limited segment of traffic. If you wanted to perform a landing page test for a new user, you could do that just as easily in paid without impacting the rest of the site experience. Using paid to test copy or content. Understanding the impact of copy and content changes can be difficult to predict, so it is always best to test this out before implementing any big changes. As mentioned above, with paid, you can control the rollout of a new experience, but can also provide great insight into specific messaging or copy. You can use paid to potentially test out messaging, creative, site links, page copy, and then review the results before rolling out any SEO changes. Factoring in everything from these last 2 lessons into your day-to-day activity can be a challenge, and even more so if your teams aren't naturally working together. In Lesson 6, we will focus on some of the ways to break down organizational silos for search and the items to keep top of mind when working to improve overall rank and team synergy.